GM. For those of you who want to start your journey on Online Plus, after you touch the referral link I've given you, this is how your journey is going to start. You press the login. Because you're a new person, you don't have an account, so you touch register. Then let me use a name. Let me say Fireman. All right. So it's automatically going to link to the email on your phone. So now, no, I'm not going to link it to this account. Let me see. I'll link it to this email, Rishama300. So continue. So automatically this account is linked to that my mail. So I'm waiting. Just because I'm having a bad network, that's why it's taking time, but it doesn't take time. So you know, you touch the okay, my network is bad. That's the reason. So after you have put that nickname, it will bring you here. The next thing, you put your name you want to use. So let me say Emmanuel Fire. So let me say the name I want to appear on the app when I'm using it. I want to use Fireman. I love anything fire. Who invited you? So if they say who invited you, you're going to put my referral in Light Shams. Light Shams. So you wait for it to process. That's just because of bad network. So you select your language. It's English, but if you're not from Nigeria, you select any other language. Continue. So they will give you people you can choose to follow. That is content creators. Yes. So let me say this guy. I'm done. Don't follow much for now. So you continue, you wait. So I'm waiting for this. So you wait for it. So you can choose to cancel and not to follow these means of verification, but to see process, you just continue. When it brings you here, this is how to use the app. Yeah, you just scrolling your way through. You keep doing what you want to do, checking the interface, checking how things are going. You go to your profile. This is your profile. You can see my name, Sani Gadu. This is my username. This is my name. You go to account, security. You do backup. Put your email. You put your authenticator, your phone number. Backup there is to copy your key phrase to do your verification. Yeah, then this is your wallet section. This is wallet. Yes, this is where you receive your eyes. You have to protect your account. That is, you have to do that verification, that setting, that security setting before it open. Yeah, this is your menu. Yes, then you have to go back to settings, go back to security. You must do this backup before you can receive or send anything. Yeah, you just put your email address, verify. So you must do one of them so that in case you lose the account, you can easily get it back. Yeah, you either backup with Google Direct, save in the drive or online. So you have to start it. I don't want to start that process. Yes. So yeah, authenticator also. You use you can use authenticator also, and that is it. If you don't have an authenticator, you just touch the link. You take it to authenticator directly. So this is I'm waiting for my profile to be set so that I can make a post. So yeah, you can just like your normal Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, but the difference is that for every like you do and every activity you be paid for it. So you can make a post maybe like this. You select the category you want so that people that are looking for it go to that category to pick it. So this is chat where you chat. You have to do that backup first, then before you can chat. The wallet section again. So the app is very slick, easy to use. This you put your details, yes, your bio, so that anybody can easily know who you are, what you do. By just checking it, you put your picture there, and you are just set to keep enjoying. Put your location, your website in case you sell something that can, people